Welcome to our True Suite room types here at our True Glasgow property. This is a studio style room and they vary from about 21 square metres, so they offer a really good sized room for you, and if you want to stay with a partner, that's also great with us because we offer free dual occupancy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through all the features that you will find when you move into your brand new room in September. When you come into the room space, you'll find that to the side you have coat and bag hooks. It's a great place to put your university bag or your coat when you come in from work in the afternoon. Then down here you have a wall-mounted heater. This is what will heat your full room space, and you can control this to make it as hot or as cold as you would like your room to be. Walking further into the space, you see that you have a full-size mirror here. Great because there's plug sockets to the side that you can plug in your hairdryer, your straighteners, your hairstylers. Make sure you're looking good before you leave to university. And on the other side, you see that you have a double wardrobe space. So you've got two doors here. You have a really deep and really large shelf at the top. You have a rail to the middle for your hanging items. And then you've got three more shelves down to the bottom. Closing that on up, we will then walk into the main room space. As I said, these rooms are 21 square metres and they are really nice and spacious. We also offer our True Superior suites, which go up to about 31 square metres. So if you want a bit more size, then I definitely recommend those rooms. Those rooms have all the same features, but they're just much bigger and they even come with more windows. So get in touch with the team if you want to find out a room that will suit your preference. Moving on here, you will see that you have a really large desk space. We know that when you're staying with us, your studies will be the most important things that you do, so we facilitated a really good study area within your room for you. You have a really long desk space, and you've even got more space to the other side as well. So loads and loads of space for you to put your books, your folders, whatever you want. You have a really comfortable study chair with a great back support, which will offer you a lot of comfort when you're studying for a long time. You have a pin board to the back, which is great because you can personalise this to whatever you want to. You can put photos of your loved ones, you can put your university timetable, you can make that what you want to make it. You have two large shelves to the top, and underneath you have plug sockets that are great for charging your computer, your laptop as well. Moving further over here, you will see, as always, that long space continues and you have more storage down here. You've got two really large cupboards here. You've got a drawer here and a big shelf down to the bottom. So tons of storage for you to hide away your things. Above here, you will see that you have a really big flat screen TV. This TV is great because it comes with Freeview already installed, which is basically BBC, ITV, all those channels that you would normally see. It is also a smart TV, so it means that you can surf the web, but even to that, we have our own True channel. What that means is you can log your maintenance on there, you can have a look at what events we've got coming on this week, and you can have a look at loads of extra things such as guidance and how to be safe whilst you're staying with us. So definitely check that out, it's a really, really good feature. I'm going to spin the camera around here and I'm going to talk you through our kitchenette. So what makes our True Suite a studio style room is because you have a kitchenette within your room space. So this kitchenette will have everything that you will need to be able to cook whilst you're staying with us. You have a large sink here with drainage to the side, and underneath you've got a large cupboard with a kitchen bin. To this side, you will find that you have a fully integrated fridge freezer. So this is the fridge space with lots of door storage, and your freezer is to the top. As you can see, it's brand new because obviously our site is brand new to open in September. Then you have two large cupboards to the top, which are great for putting away your plates, your bowls, or even your groceries, your spices, stuff like that you can put in there. And then over here, you have a 2-ring electrical hob. This is a Samsung hob, so it's a really, really good quality. And above it, you have a Samsung extractor fan. We believe because you cook and live in a space, that extraction is really important because it'll suck away all those lovely cooking smells so it doesn't get onto your bed and living space. Down here, you also have a microwave grill combi, so this is where you can also cook as well as your 2-room hob. And underneath is a drawer for your cutlery and other cooking utensils. Then behind me, you can see that you have a full-size double bed. This is a standard double bed with a very comfortable headboard behind there as well. This comes with a luxury True mattress as well, so you will definitely have a good night's sleep whilst you're staying here. This is also an ottoman bed, so what that means is you can simply lift it up and there's underbed storage, which is great for your big suitcases, your boxes, your bags, stuff that you want to hide away. Then I'm going to come around here. Over here you have even more shelving and storage. You also have plug sockets with USB ports, which is great for charging your phone at night, charging your iPad whilst you're going to sleep. But these shelves are brilliant because you can put your book on there after you finish reading at night. It's a really nice space for you to use as you need. And then over this side, you can see that we give you a lot of sunlight in these rooms because you have these massive, massive windows. Ignore the viewpoint, we've got some scaffolding out there, but that's just because the lads out there are getting everything ready for September. But when you move in, your view will certainly not be that, it will be much nicer than that. These windows are great because as you can see, they are ceiling to floor, which offer a huge amount of sunlight into your space. Plus, they also open, which gives you a lot of fresh air. Then, you can see here you have a full blackout curtain, which is great if you want to have a lie-in on the weekend or if you want to have a bit of an afternoon nap. Pull that over, switch off the light and your room is black. Okay, and last but not least, our ensuite bathroom. So we don't believe in sharing bathrooms here. Every single one of our rooms is an ensuite. And as you can see, these bathrooms are beautiful. They're fully tiled throughout. You get a large mirror to the side, which is also lit from behind as well. So it gives you a lot of good space to make sure you're looking good, putting on your makeup and different things like that. You've got a sink with under sink storage. You have a lovely shelf up here, which is great to put your toiletry bag, your towels and stuff like that. You have a toilet. You have a towel hook over here and a towel rail over here. And of course, your large double-size shower. What that means is it's just twice the size as a normal standard shower. You have a waterfall shower head to the top and a side shower as well. So this is our true suite room type. Give you one last pan around the room, but if there's anything you need, get in touch with the team and they will be able to answer any of your questions.
Thank you.